Turn those perfect story moments into shareable art and amplify your Inkitt reach. So you've just read an Inkitt story and stumbled upon a quote that absolutely blew your mind. You're dying to share it, but how do you snag those gems and make them shine online? It's super simple to start within the Inkitt app itself while you're reading. Locate the 3 vertical dots. Usually found in the top right corner of your screen, tap those dots to reveal a hidden menu of options. Within this menu, you'll find a magical option, Quote Share. Go ahead and give that a tap. This opens up a dedicated quote sharing screen. Inkitt has automatically pulled the perfect quote for you from the text you were just reading. You can see the quote clearly displayed here. Now, this is where the fun begins. A circumflex euros. Personalizing your quote graphic. You'll often see options to change the background. You might be able to pick from a selection of preset colors, patterns, or even upload your own image to really make it pop. Look for font style options. Too, a different font can completely change the vibe of your quote. Experiment with a few until you find one that perfectly matches the essence of the quote and the story. Once your graphic looks just right, tap the share button. This will bring up your phone's native sharing options, allowing you to send your beautiful quote graphic directly to your favorite social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or even to your messaging apps. For those times when the in-app tool might be a bit more basic, or you want ultimate creative control, don't forget the power of a simple screenshot combined with external design tools. Take a clean screenshot of the quote within the Inkitt app, and then use free apps on your phone or computer, like Canva or even your phone's built-in photo editor, to add text and a background of your choice. Sharing these memorable quotes not only celebrates your favorite authors, but also acts as a powerful promotion tool, drawing new readers to the incredible stories waiting on Inkitt. Happy sharing.